Summit Attachments and Machinery. Welcome to the SY40 Super Quick Start Guide. Please note, the machine shown in this video may differ from your specific unit. Before operating the machine, carefully read the owner's manual. It contains essential safety information, operating procedures, and inspection guidelines. The SY40 Super is designed for professional use only. Operators must be properly trained and experienced in cable logging applications. Controls Overview. Begin by locating the primary controls inside the cab. You will be using the left pedal, left joystick, the right pedal, and right joystick. Familiarize yourself with the joystick buttons and their assigned functions before operation. The left joystick buttons control designated system functions. The right joystick buttons control the following designated system functions. Always confirm control assignments prior to operation. When you power on the machine, the startup screen will appear on the monitor. Before proceeding, perform all required safety inspections, evaluate the site conditions, and ensure all personnel are clear of hazards. Once inspections are complete, select Yes to continue. The home screen will appear. From here, you can select the function you wish to control, the manual winch, stabilizing blade, and the yarder functions. To control the stabilizing blade, select the blade option on the screen. To control the stabilizing blade, you will use the left joystick. To lower the blade, move the left joystick forward. To raise the blade, move the left joystick backward. Operate the blade smoothly and maintain awareness of ground conditions. To manually control the Skyline winch, select Manual Winch on the home screen. To control the Skyline winch, use the right joystick knob. To move the Skyline out, push the knob forward. To move the Skyline in, pull the knob backward. Maintain steady control and monitor the line tension at all times. To access additional winches such as the haulback haywire and skid line, select the yarder option on the home screen. This will open the yarder control interface. Select winches to access the skid line controls. Use the left pedal to control the skid line winch. To move the skid line out, press the pedal forward. To move the skid line in, press the pedal backward. If you wish to operate the haulback winch, select haulback on the screen. Please note, not all SY40 Super machines are equipped with the haulback winch. To control the haulback winch, use the right pedal. To move the haulback out, press the pedal forward. To move the haulback in, press the pedal backward. To operate the haywire winch, select haywire on the screen. To control the haywire, use the right joystick. To move the haywire in, pull the joystick toward you. To move the haywire out, push the joystick away from you. Final notes. Always operate within manufacturer guidelines and maintain situational awareness during all yarding operations. For additional training resources or product support, contact Summit Attachments and Machinery or visit us online. Thank you for choosing Summit.